So guys, in our last class we talked about object in Python, while in this class we are going to talk about operation on int and float. Operation on int and float are, we have, for instance, j and a and I are integers. J plus I equals to sum, j minus I equals to different, j multiplied by I equals to product, j divided by I equals to division, j double slash I equals to int division. The difference between a j over I equals to division, while this one j double slash over I equals to int division or quotient. The other thing is that when you see j double slash over I, your result will be int, whatever value you put. While for this one, j over I, your result will be float. That's how the difference is, but when we come to practical we'll see how the difference is. J remainder I equals to the remainder when I divided by j. J double star I equals to j to the power of I. This double star stands for rest power. Then simple operation. Parentheses used to tell Python to do this operation first. For instance, 6 times 3 plus 3, it will evaluate to 21. The second one, 6 multiply into parenthesis 3 plus 3 close parenthesis evaluate to 36. This is telling us that parenthesis used to tell Python to do this operation first. We have to operate this parenthesis first, then we'll come and multiply by 6. That's how it is. Then operator precedence without parenthesis. This is another rule for Python. When we have double star, that means rest power off. Then single star, it means multiply, slash divide, plus and minus. This executed left to right according to how we listed it. That's how the rule is. When you have double slash, when you have double star in your calculation, it has to what? It has to perform this operation first, followed by a single star, then division, plus and minus will be last. That's why they say executed left to right as a pair in expression, e.g. 2 plus 3 multiply by 6 over 2 minus 3 to the power of 2 equals to 2.0. Let's try it and see. For instance, 5 plus 2 is 7. Our result is 7. Then for the difference, have 5 minus 2, the result is 3. Then for the multiplication, 5 times 2, let's say 0.0, equals to 10. When you combine int in your calculation, let's say for instance 5 times 2, 0.0. 2.0 is float, while 5 is an integer. The result will be integer. Whenever you use float an integer in your calculation, your result will be in float. Then the next one is, let me take it according to what I have here. I did for the product is division. 5 over 2 is 2.5. Now I want to show the differences between single slash and double slash for the division. For division, when you have double slash, that's why they call it int division. Let's see, we have seen with single slash, that's 5 over 2, we have 2.5. 5 double slash 2, our result is 2. You see the differences? This one your result will be in integer, while for the single slash your result will be in float. The next is that 5 remainder 2 is 1. Let me check to the next. Rest power 5 star 2, your result is 25. 5 to the power of 2 equals to 25. Let me take it again. So I'm done with the first step. The second step says parentheses used to tell Python to do this operation first. For instance, I have 6 times 3 plus 3, my result is 21, while for 6 times into 3 plus 3, my result is 36. You see the differences? 6 times 3 plus 3 equals to 21, while 6 times into parentheses 3 plus 3 equals to 36. See the condition here. Parentheses used to tell Python to do this operation first. That's the result we got. And the last state is operator precedence without parentheses. We have double star, that's to the power or rest power of single star, multiplication, division, plus and minus. Executed left to right. Let me write this equation and try it again. The equation says 2, let me take it again. It says 2 plus 3 times 6, 2 plus 3 times 6 times 6 over 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 to the power of 2. I think that's how the equation is. Let's run it and see. You see, our result is 2. You see, it followed the condition. When you say 3 to the power of 2, you have 9. Leave it as a 9. Come here, 3 times 6, which is 18. According to the rule, divide by 2, you have 9. Then plus 9 plus 2, you have 11. Then 11 minus 9, your result is 2. We are done with this class. Please subscribe to my channel.